Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Commerce Basic Classes. Last class we learned meaning of accounting. In this class we will learn types of accounts. So let's get started. See, there are mainly three types of accounts. The first one is personal account, second one is real account, and third one is nominal account. Okay, so let's see one by one. So what is personal account? Personal account means which is related to any person or individuals. Okay, and again we divide personal account into three categories. The first one is natural personal account. Natural personal account means which is related to human beings, like Sita account, Geeta account, Sham account, Hari account. Okay, these are the natural personal account. Then next one is artificial personal account. Artificial personal account means which is not related to human beings but it is related to legal entities, like for example any bank, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, okay, or any company like XYZ Ltd, ABC Ltd, government bodies or corporation. Okay, the next one is representative personal account. Representative personal account represents both natural personal account and artificial personal account. Okay, and this account is related to the previous year transaction or coming year transactions. For example, salary of an employee is due from last year, means last year's salary is not paid yet to the employee. Okay, so this is called outstanding salary. Outstanding means which is due or unpaid. Okay, so this is related to the previous year transactions. Okay, so this is coming under representative personal account. Okay, another example, rent a company paid in advance. Okay, that is called prepaid rent. Prepaid means with paid in advance. Okay, so this is related to coming year transaction or next year transactions. Okay, so that this is also coming under representative personal account. Other examples are income received in advance or accrued income. Okay, next one is real account. Real account represents all the assets and liabilities related transactions. So there are mainly two types of real account. The first one is tangible real account and another one is intangible real account. Tangible assets we already learned. Okay, the assets which we can see and which we can touch. Okay, and it has a physical existence. For example, land and building, furniture, plant and machinery. Okay, and intangible assets are those assets which we cannot see and which we cannot touch. Okay, and it doesn't have any physical existence. For example, goodwill, copyright, patent. Okay, second point, real account are also called permanent account. Okay, why? Because they are not closed at the end of the accounting year. Okay, and balances are carried forward to the next accounting year. In simple way, we can say that closing balance of the previous accounting year becomes opening balance of the current accounting year. Okay. Next one is nominal account. Nominal account represents all the incomes or gains and expenses or losses. Okay. So we already learned what are the income or gains. Okay. For example, interest received, commission received, discount received, okay, rent received, or profit on sale of furniture. These are the examples of income or gains. Okay, then what are the expenses or losses? See, interest paid, commission paid, rent paid, salary paid. Okay, loss on sale of furniture. These are the examples of expenses or losses. So anything if we received, that is our income. Anything if we paid, that is our expenses or losses. Okay. Second point, nominal account are also called temporary account. Why? Because they are closed at the end of the accounting year. Okay, and balances get transferred to the real account, which is called permanent account. Okay, so nominal account always start with the zero balance at the start of every financial year or accounting year. Okay, so today in this class we learn types of accounts. Okay, next class we will meet with a new topic. So thank you for watching my video and please like, subscribe and share.